Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share showing you guys these cuties that I created during a crafty session at nighttime. You guys know that I get my most craftiness at nighttime, very late at night, and I decided to make some chunky circle embellishments inspired by Adriana. She always makes these super cute chunky goodness, and of course I wanted to make some, so I put together 4 of them, and I'm going to show you guys what consists of them, what did I do, and yeah, let's get into it. So let's start off with the most chunkiest one, and look at this, you guys. Do you guys see all the chunkiness? Look at this, all the layers. I absolutely love it. So what we start off with is that I cut out from my Cricut little film circles. It's little film strips from the Lori Whitlock, I think, SVG file. So there's different patterns, and I cut all different there's 4 reels on out of all of these, and then I stitched them on black cardstock just for an extra layer, as you can see. And then I just started piling up my layers. I have a black spider from a ephemera pack from last year from Michaels. And then I have one of the chunky rosettes that were sent to me in some Happy Mail. I have a silver spider web. And then I did the accordion, kind of like little layer to prop it up. We have some pink cheesecloth. We have like a little metal ephemera piece back here that I stitched on, and then I put this cute little wood veneer on top that I altered and painted in pink with acrylic paint. And then we have this cute little ephemera piece that's like a little candy from the little hot tamale pastel kit, and then some puffy stickers. You guys, I'm hearing such weird noises in my house and it's like freaking me out. Not good, because I am alone and I'm scared. So yeah, so that is this one, and look how cute. I love it. So then we move on to the next one, which is this one, and look at all that. I love the layers. I love it. So we have the same thing. We have like cheesecloth, we have thread. I stitched on a bunch of the little ephemera pieces, a little coffin in the back, cheesecloth. This one I put, for 3 of them, I put the little spider webs in the back. And then we have some puffy stickers, these little glittery pumpkins that I love so much, a little hidden ghosty with a little bow, a little lollipop, tickets, cute little star, and little gemmies. There's also a rosette back here. So many layers, you guys. So that is this one. Then we have this one right here, and this one has the spider web as well as a coffin. I did the accordion lift for all of them. Then we have the spider, the cheesecloth. What else we have going on here? And then we have the little skeleton, which I altered and painted in pink. Cute little ephemera pieces laying on top. The little puffies, little gemmies, little pom-pom. But yeah, you guys, that is this one. And then the last one, which is the real big chunk monster, which is this one right here. And you guys can see right here better the little reel, the film reel that's in the back. So it's basically the spider web, the film reel, the accordion lift, and then we have another ephemera piece that's like laying right on top. That's all stitched around. We have some tickets peeking through. We have a chunky pink rosette. We have the little chipboard black tree back here. A little ghosty. Another one of those little altered wood veneers right here. And then little puffies and stickers and little embellishments. And yeah, you guys, these are my chunkified PASTELOWEEN embellishments. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like them? These are super hard for me to make on camera, so I'm gonna be making some of these on my live on Patreon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now they're ringing my bell. I will be right back. Sorry about that, you guys. It was my wife's bark box. She gets this monthly box for the dog, and they interrupted my video. Now I'm all out of breath. But yeah, you guys, let me know down below what you guys think, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.